MISI is an acronym for the Multinational Information Sharing Initiative. Across the Trans-Sahara region, we will implement a technology platform with training packages to create a regional information sharing exchange.
The landlocked country of Chad in the Trans-Saharan region of Africa is the first installation site for MISI, the Multinational Information Sharing Initiative. In late 2007, a team of technicians, engineers, and interpreters journeyed to N'Djamena, Chad's capital city. 3 months earlier, they had conducted a site survey to identify installation locations and to schedule the installation. After procurement, integration, and pre-installation testing, they shipped all necessary equipment on a U.S. Air Force C-17 to Chad. Over the course of the next 3 weeks, the team would set up the MISI capability. The MISI team's goals are to install a satellite dish that uplinks to the internet, set up computer classrooms at different locations and network them together, establish a critical power system for the network to help offset Chad's unstable power, and run an extensive computer training program for key members of the Chadian military. Once all equipment clears customs, it is delivered to the first installation site, the Chad National Army General Staff Headquarters. Working with the Chadians, the team will lay out all necessary data and power cables, set up a classroom, and assemble the satellite dish. The dish is the crux of the project. Without it, the Chadians have limited computer connectivity to the outside world. The team must build a concrete pad for the satellite. First, a Chadian official has to approve its location. An interpreter facilitates communication throughout the project.
Surface, it's about a meter high.
On propose de la mettre sur une dalle surélevée à peu près d'1 mètre en béton.
Then, the team partners with a local contractor who brings in a group of workers to build it. Although the satellite dish is quite large, the team brought down other equipment that is even larger, the critical power generator. These custom-built containers weigh 3 tons and are made up of an industrial-strength voltage regulator and a diesel-powered generator capable of running at full load for approximately 50 hours. The generator is required because there are frequent electrical outages in Chad. The critical power generator will keep the MISI equipment running during power shutdowns. Our project leader coordinates with the Chadians to determine where the ideal position for the generator is.
Le grand technicien, le grand chef. Alors, here.
Oui, ça va.
Okay. And that's it, and then everything just done.
Using teamwork, the Chadians move the generator to its new position. In the meantime, one of the translators begins working with Joël Fancy, the new in-country consultant, or ICC. Fancy will ultimately be responsible for the long-term sustainability of the MISI project, both technically and pedagogically.
En ce qui concerne le système MISI, c'est le partage multinational d'informations. C'est pour autant dire que ce système nous permet d'avoir des informations en temps réel.
You need to see this. This is yours.
His job is to maintain the satellite uplink and computer network once the team leaves. Fancy will also continue training additional Chadians on how to use the computers and the MISI portal. He will stay connected with the MISI team via the new system. With little construction work left at the General Staff Headquarters, part of the team moves to the Ministry of Defense. There, data and power cables are laid and computers are set up in a classroom. Back at the General Staff Headquarters, the pad is now complete and the satellite is positioned on top of it.
Better. Better.
With classes starting soon, the satellite signal is calibrated and an internet connection is established. The training of Chadian military personnel can now proceed.
Well, finally then, I would like to welcome you to the training program.
Many of the students in these classes have never seen a computer before, and few have ever used one.
Ce que je vous demande, est-ce que vous pouvez juste me montrer où se trouve le clavier?
The training starts from computer basics and builds from there. Upon completion, the students have their own MISI accounts and email addresses and can send each other messages and upload documents. Their accounts are fully integrated into the MISI portal. The portal is the heart of the MISI project. It is a web-based system that allows for interaction between a wide range of information technology. Computers, cell phones, walkie-talkies, webcams, and more are integrated in one centralized web location. The primary objective is to have all trans-Saharan countries linked to the MISI system so that an information partnership can grow between them. The team's work has been completed at 2 locations and the ICC's training is finished. The MISI trainers have taught Fancy how to train others. He is ready to begin teaching his local countrymen about the MISI system.
Le LAN, le Local Area Network. Et si vous distancez les appareils, les réseaux, le débit rechute, donc ça ne va pas.
Les installations que le projet MISI nous a données ne peuvent plus repartir. Ça reste le bien de l'armée nationale tchadienne, donc on va y profiter pour beaucoup de choses.
After 3 weeks, the team is ready to head home. They will return again to do another installation and more training. With the satellite operational and 2 sites set up, a computer network established and running smoothly, and an ambitious in-country coordinator ready to continue teaching, the first installation of the MISI system in Trans-Saharan Africa is a success.